Yes. If now if y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0, print what number is even, like that. It's very simple. It's very simple. Now, yes, number is even. Output is what? Number is even. It's very simple. There is no need to use bracket and there is no need to use data type and like that. Do you understand this? Yes or no? Yes. It's very simple then. Else, like that. Else. Else what? Print. Number is odd. Like that. Else, colon raila, colon means what? Every such a type of keyword, if, else, if, you must have to place the colon. Means what? Your block start from here. So now if you run this program like that, if you change the number like that, in this fashion, number is odd, else we used else. We used if and else. This is a very simple syntax of if and else. Do you understand? All of you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are trying to write very first Python program by if, because our topic is if statement. And I showed all the if. I will show or try to show all the if by practical method. Because all of you know what is if statement, what is their syntax, but this is somewhat different than other programming languages. This is very simple if. Next time we will discuss what? Else if. ELIF. Correct? Thank you. नोट्स मिळाल्या सगळ्यांना? बघा, आतापर्यंतच्या सगळ्या नोट्स पाठवल्या, फक्त आजच्या पासून राहतील तुम्हाला. मिळाल्या सगळ्यांना? सगळ्यांनी गुगल क्लासरूम वर जाऊन आपल्या नोट्स काढून घ्या. ओके? हो, थँक्यू. थोड्या वेळाने भेटू परत आपण. ओके.